So this is a good time, me and my family just hanging out. We had seen some water features, a whole bunch of bowls, so we just came out to check it out. But yep, had a good time playing with the drone. Yeah, see the artwork, that's pretty cool. They go Paris, Asia, Carmen, and London. The drone almost one of his lady's heads right there, so I had to let her know that the drone's not, it has obstacle avoidance, so it's not going to hit her. But yep, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to our channel. Keep bringing some good videos, good footage.